Greetings, bird enthusiasts. Today on ZooTube Explorer, we're taking flight alongside the captivating and communal world of geese. Geese are known for their strong family bonds, graceful flight formations, and distinctive honking calls. They are a common sight in various habitats around the world, from lakes and ponds to open fields. Geese are dedicated parents, often migrating great distances with their goslings and fostering a sense of community within their flocks. These social birds play a vital role in shaping ecosystems through their feeding habits and seed dispersal, making them integral to maintaining wetland and grassland environments. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more engaging insights into the natural world. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, keep an eye out for these harmonious and community-oriented birds.